Hello everyone, welcome to Share and Spark. Today we are going to discuss about how to choose a right school for your child. Before we get started, I'm assuming that you have already chosen the board for your child, whether it's ICSE, SSC or CBSE. इस वीडियो में हम फोकस करेंगे कि what important points or criteria you should consider during the selection process of choosing school. It's not only looking for the facilities के स्कूल की बिल्डिंग कैसे है या फिर स्कूल के बसेस कितने हैं या फिर स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म कैसा होता है. There should be insightful thinking required to get a deeper understanding. So without wasting any time, let's get started with that. So first हम ये देखेंगे कि choose a school close to your house. Yes, location does matter a lot. क्या होता है ना कि अच्छे स्कूल के सर्च में हम अपने बच्चों को बहुत दूर भेज देते, इतना दूर कि उन्हें वहां पे पहुंचते पहुंचते या फिर स्कूल में जहां वो जाते हैं वो बस से आने जाने में उनका बहुत ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट हो जाता है. एंड इट मेक्स योर चाइल्ड टायर्ड, थक जाते हैं बच्चे स्कूल में पहुंचते पहुंचते. And the same thing happens after coming home also. Nearby school keeps your child fresh and they get time to take enough rest and also get time to study at home also. तो इस बात का जरूर ध्यान रखिए कि घर और स्कूल का डिस्टेंस बहुत ज्यादा ना हो. तो ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट आपको ध्यान में रखना ही है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे वो है कि नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू लुक फॉर द स्कूल वेयर देयर इज अ बैलेंस ऑफ एकेडमिक्स and what activities both. There has to be a place or ground to play. Yes, sports are as important as studies. They should go hand in hand. Activities से मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि there has to be a physical activities. I mean sports, because in recent times many schools have adopted the practice of assigning project-based activities to students. So often under the label of activities, of course, while the intention behind these tasks is commendable to enhance the creativity, right? But what actually happens can be quite completely different. Parents are left to take on much of the responsibilities, right? Sometimes even completing the project themselves just to meet the what deadlines. पेरेंट्स को ही दिन रात एक करके प्रोजेक्ट को कंप्लीट करना पड़ता है. ये शायद आपके साथ भी जरूर हुआ होगा. You must have experienced this one. Yes, this is the reality of today's schools. So find the schools which has more focus on sports with academic studies. नेक्स्ट जो आपको देखना है कि क्वालिफाइड टीचर्स विद फ्रेंडली एंड कोऑपरेटिव नेचर. हाउ विल यू गेट टू नो दैट? You have to visit the school, talk with the teachers, because your children are going to spend a whole day with the teachers, and that too for the whole year and for some next few years coming, right? It's really important all the teachers have to be approachable ones. What I truly believe in, the whole environment of the school is deeply influenced by the energy created by what the teachers in that schools. They should be able to balance a discipline with compassion. You know what, every children try to find their role model in their teachers characters first. I think among all the points, this one is the best, or this one is the most important point to look at this. उसके बाद आप देखेंगे कि clean and hygienic environment of the with your kids safety. Clean classroom, washroom and safe playground. CCTV cameras are must. You can observe the classroom while visiting the school. What I mean to tell is smaller the classroom means what? More attention. Getting my point? There has to be enough ventilation in every classroom. Actually, these seemingly small details are really required in the school. You can observe these while visiting the school only. Next one is what? We have to think about the affordable fee structure. Never ever choose a school just for social comparison, okay? Always take a decisions that fits comfortably within your budget without creating any unnecessary pressure, okay? Don't simply select the school just because your relatives or friends are choosing it. Think about your child's need. Think about your own priorities and take a wise decision. Because remember one thing, a good education doesn't always mean the expensive one. I really want you to feel more clear and confident after watching this video. Of course, every parent has the different needs and priorities. So there might be additional factors that matters more to you personally, right? But these are the one basic thing that every parent should consider before making any decision. Choosing the right school is a big step. So take your time, think through these points and match them with what you really want for your child. I hope this video has helped you to get a better idea of what to look for and that you feel more sorted and prepared And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content like this. Thank you so much.